All right, you're recording.
Whoa.
Hey,
All right, watch, guys.
Jason.
This is now gonna destroy.
Move to the right. Move to the right. Move.
Muzzle blasted.
Hold on. Hold on. Come here, guys.
That's what I was talking.
Yeah, can't see crud over here.
You can't see?
Yeah, let's get on the back of the truck.
Okay.
Well, get up here, Jake.
That's the wrong way to spread corn.
Okay, can you see?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, fire when ready.
Hold still.
Ready.
We got wall separation.
I think so. I think we got dual wall separation.
I smell that powder.